All right, welcome back to our final video in Module 2, and we're going to be looking at how to structure your funnel if you were an affiliate marketer. Because if you're an affiliate, then obviously you can't do a sales funnel really because you need to sell, your products through your affiliate link. So what can you do? And the answer is you want to build your email list, right? That way you can promote other offers to your list. The email addresses aren't just going to your company, through the corporate site. You really want to get those leads first. So we're going to look at a variation on the opt-in funnel. And what this is called is a bridge funnel. And so you're going to start with your same lead capture page, get people to opt in to learn more. Maybe you give them a freebie, video, ebook, something like that. And then once they opt in, instead of just giving them a straightforward thank you page, this is where you're going to introduce your company, the opportunity, the products. You're going to introduce it here before they get to the company's site, because that's going to give you the opportunity to really control how it's first presented to them, and it gives you a chance to tell your story. If you have a story with the company already, it gives you a chance to connect with them so they get to know you, and they put a face with this brand and with the company. And it's not just this big corporate thing that's kind of faceless and maybe unfeeling, but you're making it personal for them and you're building that personal connection. And that's going to help you grow your team and help you get new customers as well for your affiliate business. So this is one example here of an affiliate bridge page. So it was a brand new company. She didn't have a store yet, but she told this, she explained what this company was, what they stood for, their ethics and the ingredients they didn't use, and then how being part of this company could change your life, what the benefits were for you. So that's one way that you could approach your bridge page. I want to show you a couple more examples then so you can really get an idea of what this could look like for you. And with this one, he and his wife did have a story. They very quickly achieved high levels of success with their network marketing company. They achieved vice president faster than anyone else had. And so they had a great story to tell that really made people inspired, that would make them say, oh man, that's who I want is my leader. I want to learn from them. I want to be part of this. This seems wow, if they could do it, I could do it, So if you have your own story, tell it on the bridge page. And if you don't, what's the first thing they always tell you when you work with an affiliate marketing company? Use other people's stories, okay? So if you don't have your own stories, then find other people. Maybe it's your upline, maybe it's somebody on the company homepage or testimonial page. Find somebody else's story and tell that and leverage those stories until you have your own. But whatever it is, make it personal. Show, that this company is more than just some corporation, but it's individuals, and it's individuals whose lives have been changed. And it could also be by the products too. Maybe it's not that you've made $1 million with this company, but maybe their products helped you lose 15 pounds. Maybe you're in the best shape of your life now. Whatever it is, tell that story, okay? It doesn't have to all be about money too. And then the other thing that he did on this page was that he cleared up some confusion that people might have about the products. He's selling CBD products, and so it comes from marijuana plants, and he wanted to explain why that's different from the THC and marijuana, which is, the chemical that gets you high. And so if you have something like that, if you have a product that you want to clear up any misconceptions about, then your bridge page is a great place to do that. Because again, you can really control the content on here and what your audience sees and learns and thinks about your opportunity before they get to the corporate page where you have no control over how it's presented, right? So this is your big chance to connect with your audience on your bridge page. And I'm going to just show you one more example here of what this could look like. And so these are the 2 pages in this affiliate funnel. And so on the first page there on the left, the lead capture, you can see he promised a video inside about how to create passive income. And then on the thank you page, he has the video, right? So he followed through just like on, any other thank you page. And then got to go down and show, okay, and then this is what the company is. So the video introduces it, and then it goes down, and he gave you a little bit more details about it, and then you can get started. So there's multiple ways that you can set this up and what it looks like. But this is really going to help you with your affiliate business. It's going to help you because you're going to have your own email list now. It's not going to be all out of your hands and in the company's email list, but you're going to be able to follow up with these people, and you're going to get new team members, get new customers, present them with new offers, and it's going to let you really connect with your audience, and that's going to make a huge difference in them signing up with you as well. Because, the danger certainly is once they know about your company, maybe they go look for somebody else to follow or something. So that bridge page lets you connect with them so they feel committed to you, so they want to work with you. All right, and so that's it. We have made it through module 2 now, and you can go ahead, fill out your worksheets, and figure out the perfect structure for your business funnel that's going to help you achieve your goals. And then I will see you in module 3 so we can talk about how you're actually going to build that funnel.